Hey everyone, thanks for checking in on Tammy Lee Tips. We just checked into the Westin in downtown Seattle, and I gotta give you a look around this room. We have a two queen, looks like two double room. I'm not sure because honestly, I got distracted by this view and the bed stopped mattering. It's a little bright right now because it's right at sunset, but you can see the tip top of the Space Needle right there and the Science Center. And then if we turn, hello Puget Sound, there's a cruise ship in port. Alaska cruising is starting this week. It's just, look at the Olympics and the sunset. We are so excited to be here. The room has these comfy chairs, which we are promptly going to turn around to watch the sunset. Give you a look at the room. There is a desk for work, a flat screen TV here, and then shelves and a mini bar. QR codes to check out, which is nice. And we're on the 43rd floor of 47. I'll give you a look at the bathroom. The room really has, everything you need: a safe, a coffee maker, nice looking bathroom here. And again, this is the Westin in downtown Seattle. Love the rain shower. Make sure to check out TammyLeeTips.com for even more travel and hotel reviews.